Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to take this horseweed spindle, make a hand drill fire, and then break it open to get to the pith and see if this pith will fire roll. This is the exact same video that we made with the Dogfennel, which both of those techniques were successful. Only, like I say, we'll be using this horseweed spindle. This is a water oak fireboard, pine needles tinder bundle, and we'll try to do it with the no hold fireboard technique. You can look at this fireboard. There are not a lot of successes on it. No char in the bottom of that. No char in the bottom of that. That one looks like it was successful. This one looks like it drifted forward and popped out. Burn in. I'll put this 3/8 of an inch end down and this 7/16 end up. Looking good so far. Let's use a leaf for an ember catch. It's smoking, but just barely. It's starting to take off now. When you do a no-hole fireboard, the deeper that the spindle goes, the more it grabs those side walls and makes the fireboard want to twist. So it was grabbing pretty good right there. We got the ember. Let's see if the Pith is going to fire roll now. .100% cotton ball. These happen to be jumbo, so they're doubly thick. I am quickly proving that most coal extenders are going to fire roll fairly easily. Sticks. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.